I'm HVAC Repair Guy. I've been working in the HVAC trade for over 17 years, and before that, I worked as a nuclear electrical operator in the Navy. Today we're looking at two high-end inverter heat pumps, the GE NS21H and the Heil Ion 23H5H3V. I'm going to go through these from the standpoint of what actually matters when you own one, not just what looks good on a sales brochure. Starting with the cabinet and outdoor coil, there is a clear difference. The GE NS21H is listed with a louvered coil, while the Heil H5H3V is not. What that means is the GE has additional physical protection around the outdoor coil. Now let's talk heating performance, because that's where these two get interesting. Both are listed at 10.5 HSPF in the data we're using, and both are classified as ultimate systems. HSPF is the heating seasonal performance factor. In plain English, it gives you a seasonal measure of how efficiently the heat pump produces heat over the heating season. The higher the number, generally speaking, the more heat you're getting for the electricity you're using. At 10.5, both of these are in the high-efficiency category. As far as who makes these units, GE Appliances is a Heil company. Heil is part of the Carrier family. The GE is listed as manufactured in China, while the Heil is listed as manufactured in Mexico. Installed HVAC pricing is heavily dependent on capacity, the indoor equipment it's matched with, ductwork, electrical work, refrigerant line work, permits, labor, and your local market. Warranty is interesting because these two are identical. Both have a 10-year general warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If I were standing next to you at your house and you asked me which one I'd buy, I'd lean toward the Heil Ion 23H5H3V, but it's a close decision.